Hello folks, I'm Dean with Dean's Woodworking. Welcome to the shop. Y'all come on in and make yourself comfortable. Today, we're going to turn some icicles. That would be a finial turned upside down basically. So instead of sticking up, it's hanging down. We call it an icicle. A lot of the ornaments that are going to be coming up in the series going forward are going to involve icicles. So I thought, why not? Let's go ahead and include a video just on icicles. It's a great skill builder. However, it's not just something we toss once we're done. We actually put an eye on those and we hang them as an individual ornament. Stay tuned. We're going to get started and go ahead and make some. Now what I've got chucked up here in the lathe today is a piece of what I'm going to call scrap material. It's still good wood. It's just left over from another project. It's a piece that did not get used and very well destined for the trash can. But instead of putting it in the trash today, we're going to go ahead and make use of it, okay? So basically this started out as a blank, just a little over 1 inch square. Okay, so what this was going to consist of is a series of beads. We'll start off right here at the bottom. And we'll make a little bead. Okay, so we've got that one done. And again, right here, we're just kind of wasting this wood away. Just getting it out of the way. And so the other thing is, we want the spindle going into the top of the bead to be about the same as what's coming out of the bottom. And so therefore, the taper and the challenge to get the taper right is from the bottom of one bead to the top of the other. Okay. Alright, before we get too much further, we're going to go ahead and hit this with some sandpaper and get this in kind of sanded to where we want it, okay? And this is 150. Like all of these projects, I try to do as good a cut as I possibly can to reduce the amount of sanding that needs to be done as much as possible. So that's got a sanded 150, 220, and then we hit it with this 300 or 320 here. And we're ready to keep moving. You go ahead and use this 3/8 spindle gouge here. Okay, so we're pretty good coming in and out of those. Again, as we work our way back, we just want to go slow. Okay, then we're going to make our top ball right about here. Okay, and we want to keep these basically the same shape. So you kind of see that one got a little oblong on me. You want to watch that and work it back in. Okay, so we're back pretty good. I see just a couple of small places where we need to take off just a little bit to make our cut straight. Keep with a taper. And that one's just a little bit big right there. Folks, let me just stop for a moment and say thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I love the comments. Thank you so much. And so many of you are sharing my videos. I can't tell you how much I appreciate that and how much that helps the channel. If you like what you see, go ahead and go down and hit the subscribe button. And if you don't mind, hit the notification bell as well. That way, when I post up a new video, you're notified and you don't miss anything. Again, folks, thank you so much for watching. Okay, folks, we're going to hit it with some sandpaper one more time. Staying back up at this end. Okay, that's the 150. We're going to hit it with the 220. And then the 320. Okay, we're going to slow the lathe down just a little bit, and we're going to come in with our skew. Pulling that off right there. We're going to come in with a skew up here. Give ourselves just a little bit of room. And that really thin little parting tool that I've got that I made out of a steak knife, we're going to use it to just part this off with. Again, we're not in any big hurry to get in there. We just take it off slow. And folks, we have an icicle. Out of wood that was destined for the fire pit, we made a little icicle. This is one I've made. Here's another one of a little different style I've made. Use your imagination. There's so many things you can do with these, folks. All you have to do is now I'm going to go in and sand the top of these. I'm going to put a little hole in them so that I can put an eye in them, and they'll be able to hang from a tree, decorating someone's home. So whether you're giving these to friends and family, neighbors, or you're selling them at craft and art shows, this is a great little piece. It's a great skill builder. Have fun making some, and thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and happy turning. Thank you.